Hey, how's it going?
Heyo.
Yeah, man, and that's basically how I decided to become a comp sci major. Dude, oh man, that's good.
Oh my gosh, wait, why is everyone coughing up blood and acting like it's
Relax, man, it's just blood cough.
Just blood cough?
Yeah, it's just like vaping or juuling, except instead you just cough until blood comes out.
Blood cough. So people are doing this on purpose?
Everyone is.
For fun?
Yeah, it's a great head high.
But there's just no way it can be good
No,
for you.
dude, it's fine. Blood coughing's like actually pretty good for you. It's totally fine.
Yo, James! Cough me, dude! Cough me! Sorry about that. But yeah, blood coughing is easily one of the safest recreational activities that a college student can do. I mean, it's definitely better than medical marijuana, I know that firsthand.
Everyone's doing it and
You betcha.
and it's really better for you than all those other things like smoking and...
Wanna try it?
I mean, yeah, I guess like...
Hey everyone! Reese is gonna try blood cough!
Spend all your time waiting for that second chance.